Conversation 1. Family conversation.
Hi, Leo. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. I have a question. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Maria. She's 15 years old.
Oh, nice. Is she a student?
Yes, she goes to high school. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. His name is Tom. He's 20.
What does he do?
He's a university student. He studies math.
Cool. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and my brother. We have a small house.
That's nice. I live with my mom, dad, and sister too.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. His name is Max. He's very friendly.
Aw, I love dogs. My family has a cat.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Lily. She's 3 years old.
That's sweet.
Conversation 2. Daily routine conversation.
Hi, Leo. You're here early today.
Yes, I always come here at 8 o'clock. What about you?
I usually wake up at 7. Then I come here for coffee.
Me too. What do you do in the morning?
Well, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. I like bread and milk. What about you?
I eat cereal every day. It's quick and easy.
That's good. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock. I work until 5 in the afternoon.
Oh, same as me. What do you do after work?
I go home. I cook dinner and watch TV.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I like cooking. It's fun. What do you do in the evening?
I read books or listen to music. Sometimes I call my friends.
That sounds nice. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30. I need 8 hours of sleep.
Me too. I go to bed at 11.
Well, we should go now. It's almost 9.
You're right. See you later.
Bye, Leo.
Conversation 3. Best friend conversation.
Leo, do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do. His name is Jack. He's my best friend.
Oh, that's nice. How old is he?
He's 25, same as me. We're the same age.
How long do you know him?
We know each other for 10 years. We met in high school.
Wow, that's a long time. What does he do?
He's a teacher. He teaches English to children.
Cool. What do you do together?
We play football every weekend. We also watch movies.
That sounds fun. Do you see him often?
Yes, we meet 2 or 3 times a week.
That's great. What is he like?
He's very funny and kind. He always makes me laugh.
He sounds like a good friend.
Yes, he is. Do you have a best friend?
Yes. Her name is Sarah. She lives near my house.
What do you like about her?
She's very nice and friendly. She always listens to me.
That's wonderful. Where did you meet her?
We met at university. Now we work at the same company.
Oh, so you see her every day.
Yes, we have lunch together every day.
That's really nice.
Conversation 4. Weekend plans.
Hi, Leo. It's Friday. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm so happy it's Friday. What about you?
Me too. What do you usually do on weekends?
On Saturday, I sleep late. I wake up at 10 o'clock.
That's nice. I like to sleep late too.
Then I go shopping for food. What do you do on Saturday?
I clean my apartment in the morning. Then I meet my friends.
Where do you go with your friends?
We go to a cafe or restaurant. We like to eat and talk.
That sounds fun. Do you do anything on Sunday?
Yes, on Sunday I visit my parents. We have lunch together.
That's sweet. I usually stay home on Sunday.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies and relax. Sometimes I read a book.
Do you play any sports on the weekend?
Yes. I play basketball on Saturday afternoon. Do you?
No, but I go for a walk in the park. It's good exercise.
That's good. Do you go alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with my sister.
Well, have a great weekend, Emily.
Thanks. You too, Leo. See you on Monday.
Bye.
Conversation 5. Hometown conversation.
Leo, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. It's a big city. What about you?
I'm from a small town called Greenville.
Oh, interesting. Where is Greenville?
It's in the south. It's very quiet and peaceful.
How many people live there?
About 20,000 people. It's not very big.
What's it like? Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. It's beautiful. There are many trees and parks.
That sounds nice. Is there a beach?
No, there's no beach, but there's a big lake.
Cool. What can you do there?
We go swimming in summer. We also have picnics.
Do you have restaurants and shops?
Yes, but not many. We have some small shops and cafes.
I see. Chicago is very different. It's very busy.
Yes, I know. There are so many people here.
We have tall buildings, museums, and many restaurants.
Do you like living in a big city?
Yes, but sometimes it's too noisy. I miss quiet places.
Do you visit your hometown often?
Yes, I go back 2 times a year. I visit my family.
Me too. I miss my hometown sometimes.
Maybe one day you can show me Greenville.
Yes, I'd love that.
Conversation 6. Job and studies conversation.
Hi, Leo. Where are you going?
Hi, Emily. I'm going to work. What about you?
I'm going to university. I'm a student.
Oh, really? What do you study?
I study business at the university. It's interesting.
That's great. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, yes. But I like it. What's your job?
I'm a waiter. I work at a restaurant.
Oh, nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I meet many people every day.
That sounds fun. What time do you start work?
I start at 11 in the morning. I finish at 8 at night.
Oh, that's a long day. Do you work every day?
No, I work 5 days a week. I have Monday and Tuesday off.
That's good. How long do you work there?
I work there for 2 years now.
Do you want to change your job?
Maybe in the future. I want to open my own restaurant one day.
Wow, that's a great dream.
Thanks. What do you want to do after university?
I want to work in a big company, maybe in marketing.
That sounds good.
When do you finish university?
In 2 years. I'm in my second year now.
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you. Good luck at work today.
Thanks. Oh, here comes the bus.
Let's go.
Conversation 7. Favorite time of day.
Leo, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
What's your favorite time of day?
Oh, I love the evening. What about you?
I like the morning best. Why do you like the evening? Because the day is finished.
I don't have work or stress.
I see. What do you usually do in the evening?
I have dinner with my family. We talk and laugh together.
That's wonderful. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel happy and relaxed. I love that time.
That's nice. My favorite time is the morning.
Really? Why do you like the morning?
Everything is quiet and calm. The world is still sleeping.
That's true. What do you do in the morning?
I sit by the window. I drink tea and watch the sunrise.
That sounds beautiful. How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel peaceful. I feel ready for the day.
I understand. What about the afternoon? Do you like it?
Not so much. The afternoon is busy and hot.
Yeah, me too. I'm always tired in the afternoon.
And what about the night? Do you like it?
The night is okay, but I'm usually sleepy.
Me too. I go to bed early.
What time do you sleep?
At 10 o'clock. I need a lot of sleep.
That's good. I should sleep earlier too.
Yes. Then you can enjoy the morning with me.
Maybe I'll try that.
Thanks for watching. Today, you practiced 7 simple English conversations you can use in real life. Remember, practice makes progress, so speak aloud and repeat daily. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend learning English. Comment below, which conversation will you use today? See you in the next lesson.